What up, what up, what up, Crypto Nation? We're back with another video. It is September 25th, and as we always do, we analyze the crypto markets. We give you the straight details. We don't do BS, we don't sell stuff. Let's get to it. Last time, 2 days ago, last time was the video. There was some movement. Like I mentioned, there's going to be some volatility coming, and the volatility continued yesterday. And let's first check out Bitcoin here and let's see what's going on here. Today's video, we're going to talk about a little bit about Chainlink, which is something I wanted to talk about because it's the last day. It's pumped up and it hit 10 from under 8, so 25% gains in a day. So we're going to look at that, see if the bearish movement is gone or not. And let's check out Bitcoin here. Let's look at a 3-day really since the last couple videos. So what we've been doing around recently is 1500, like I had mentioned in the last video, is the magnets, right? So 1500 is about the middle point. So what you see here is it was hovering around 1500 right here, like the magnet. See, going over, going under a little bit, and then it hit down to 1250. See, around the low levels were 1250. Okay, so that's 250 down, and then it decided it's gonna go on the. It's kind of like a hover to the other side, but the exact amount over of the other side of the magnet. So up 250 from 1050. So that went up to around 1750. Look, exactly. Sometimes markets are too predictable here with the magnet. So that was actually, like I said, a very strong magnet. Sometimes it hovers. The magnet's on one side, and then you throw it to the other side, and it goes the exact same distance. That's what happens with magnets here. And we've been hovering down since then, and really hovering, going back to 1500 slowly here, going back to the 15 mark. And once we'll get to 15, we could hover around there and then see some action eventually. But it's hovering down back to 1500, 1050, and so that's what's going on with Bitcoin. The stock market, of course, has been a little bit influential, but nothing crazy in the stock market recently. But that's that. Let's check out Chainlink and link. Let's see here. So Chainlink, like I mentioned, is in a very bearish situation right now overall. But we've seen some very bullish stuff in the past day. Really, it says 12.2, but really recent day plus, it's at 25% from its lows last few days. So it's back up to its 7th ranked. Let's check the charts here. So here's the 7-day, right? So this bearish action here is part of a long-term bearish action starting from the middle of August. We've been in a huge bear market. Now some might say, oh, it went up 25%, 20%. Are we out of this bear market? Well, let's check the bear markets. So bear markets, you can't be looking at a 7-day chart, right? You got to be looking long term. That's what a bear market is, right? It's not a daily thing. You're not in a bear market in a day, right? It's a long-term trend. So here, if we look, even throughout this bear market, we have had 20% gains throughout. Look at this, 1450, back up to 1750. That's the same gain that we have here. It's very common. And the gain, once it hits that 20% gain or so, that's when it falls back down. And we have not broken through that resistance. We're only up 20% from those. See, it happened here. 1460, 17, huge gains. Boom. So even, I mean, if you thought when we hit, look, 17 here and you bought because you thought we're outside of the bear market, you lost money. If you bought here, 12, or even if you bought at the bottom here, at 10, and you're still holding, you at 1050, you're still, lost money. So the point is we're still in this long-term bear trend, and we did not pass the resistance at 10. We just bounced right off it. So to actually get out of that bear market here, we would have had to hit 12 levels above 12 for sure, which would be like a 50% gain. That's what you need, really 40 to 50% gain in the crypto markets to get you out of the bear market for altcoins and for Chainlink and Oracle services. So if we hit 12, but we did, we bounced right back, and I see this pattern continuing for quite another while and going down to 5 really, levels of 5 by the end of the year. So I think we have the considerable downside, and we're still in the bear market. Oh, Bitcoin getting a little pop here. Let's see what the stock market's doing here. Let's check the Dow Jones. We're getting a little bit of a positive movement here, which is why we're getting that little bit of bump here. We were down 15, mid 1500, 15,500, 50, and now we're up to 635. So really not much action going on here. We got to see what's going on. Today's Friday, the last trading day for the stock market of the week, and it is getting close to the end of the month, which should have some more volatility, and we'll see if it hits back to the 10,500 mark, where the magnet is. It seems like it's pulling down there from the last 48-hour trend here, 24 hours, and that will pull down Chainlink. I don't see Chainlink going over 10, as long as that Bitcoin magnet stays strong and we hit back to 10,500 on the Bitcoin levels. So that's it for today. Just wanted to talk about what's going on with Chainlink, because it's been crazy, but it's really not crazy. It's happened many times over the past 90 days, 60 days since the bear market started, and we still have strong bear action here, and I don't expect that to end soon. So there you have it, folks. Crypto Nation, just giving you the truth here, and we'll see you tomorrow. Peace.